Hello all. In this video, I'll be discussing about problem number 121 of Leetcode, that is best time to buy and sell the stock. So here you are given an array of prices where price I is the price of given stock on the ith day. And since you need to maximize your profit, you have to choose one single day on which you buy the stock and different day in which you sell the stock, and you have to maximize this profit. And if there is no profit, then you have to return 0. So for this specific case, it can be said that the maximum the profit that will be obtained is 5. How? If you buy the stock on day 2 and sell it on day 5, you will be having a difference of 6 minus 1, that is 5. So this is how you will be having maximum difference. So now what is the approach? So the brute force approach can be, you can just calculate the difference of all possible combinations, and then you can retrieve the maximum value from these. So this can be done in two passes. How? Say for example, you have buy the stock on day 1, then you have to calculate the combination, that is differences, if you sell them on further days. Similarly, if you buy it on day 2, then you have to calculate the difference between further days. Similarly for day 3, day 4 and day 5. Since at each and every step you are calculating the differences between the further days, so this all results in higher complexity, that is n into n minus 1 by 2. And since it is pretty high, so we'll be going with some efficient approach that can be just done in one pass also. So the other approach can be, here we'll be leveraging upon two variables. One is the minimum value and the second is the maximum difference. What is the minimum value? Minimum value stores the value of the minimum stock seen till now, and maximum difference will be used to store the maximum difference encountered till now between the selling and buying of the stocks. So how we can proceed is, for initialization, we'll be initializing min value to the highest value and max difference to the lowest value, that is 0. Further, we'll be using one pass to calculate the difference. So now in that pass, what we'll be doing is, we'll be further considering that the value under consideration, if it is less than min value, then we'll be updating the min value. And if the difference, that is considered value minus min value difference, is greater than max difference, then we have to update that as well. So now let's go procedure wise. Let me take a variable I, which will help me in traversing the array. So as of now, I'm at index 0. I have initialized min value to int max and max difference as 0. So considering the first element, since 7 is less than int max, so I'll be updating its value, minimum value as 7. So now prices value 7 minus min value is 0. So there is no difference in max, so it will be 0 only. Again, 1 is less than 7, so yes, it will be updated. Min value will be 1 now, and prices value is 1 minus 1, it again comes out to be 0, so there is no updation in max difference. Now the second is 5. 5 is less than 1? No. So there will be no updation in min value. Now we will be calculating the difference between 5 minus 1, which comes out to be 4. And since 4 is greater than 0, so now there will be updation in max difference. So again, 3 is less than 1. No. So min value will be 1 only. And now I'll be calculating the difference between the two, which will be 2. Since it is not greater, so max difference will be 4 only. Now 6 is not greater than 1, so min value will be 1. Now I'm calculating the difference between 6 minus 1, which comes out to be 5. So now since 5 is greater than 4, so this will be again updated. 4 is less than 1, no. So min value will be 1 only. Now calculating the difference between 4 minus 1, it will be 3. 3 is not greater, so max difference will not be updated. And now since the end of the pass is achieved, so and all the elements are consumed, so output will be returned as max difference. So now let's see how we can do this in coding in one pass. So it is pretty simple. Again, we have initialized min value as int max and max value as 0. So in one pass, I'm checking those two steps only. In the first, if prices considered value is less than min value, then update the min value. And if prices minus min values difference is greater than max value, that is, there is a profit that is bigger than the max value, then please update the max value. So after this pass completes, the max value will be having the highest profit that is returned to the function. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.